Christian Bridges joins us with our forecast this noontime. Feels a little weird to say, but it seems that we're in a January thaw moment.
Yes, and it looks like it's going to kind of continue for this week. You know, even today, certainly cold and windy. We dealt with way colder back in December.
Right, we've toughened up early in the season. Now this seems fine.
Our blood is thick now.
We earned this.
That's right. So yeah, enjoying a little bit more mild weather for this week, at least a few more days of it, and I would say soak it in because next week it's probably returning to more typical January frigid air. Here's a look at our satellite and radar right now. Of course, the big story today is the wind, the chilly temperatures, not really seeing much precipitation, but there are a couple flurries falling in the mountains out there as we head into this afternoon. Now the winds going to remain gusty for another couple hours here. They will die down a good bit though as we head into the evening. Not going to die off completely, but it will still, or it won't be as breezy as we head into tonight, and tomorrow does look a lot calmer and about 10 degrees warmer as well. So should feel a lot better out there tomorrow afternoon. For today, 34 for the high in Portland. That's basically right around our average. In fact, even still a touch above normal for today. 33 in Lewiston, 32 in Bangor. Off to the north, much colder, 20 in Caribou. They got quite a bit of snow over the weekend there, and that is helping temperatures to stay a lot colder up in the county. So let's take a look at what we're expecting in the next several days. Nothing significant, but at least a couple chances for some showers through the middle of the week. Today we're pretty quiet, breezy and cold. We head into tomorrow with milder temperatures expected on Tuesday. Now, stopping it here at 6 tomorrow morning, couldn't rule out maybe a brief flurry or snow shower. A very, very weak system will swing through late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Won't do much, but again, there could be a brief snow shower early in the day. The afternoon, near 40, sunny skies, fairly light winds. So tomorrow looking like a really nice day if you want to get outdoors. I would have to say it's probably the pick of the week for Tuesday. Now Wednesday is also going to be fairly mild. It's just going to be a little more unsettled. A somewhat slightly more potent clipper system comes on through. So early Wednesday morning, scattered rain and snow showers are possible. Couple of these could persist into Wednesday afternoon as temperatures hover in the upper 30s to right around 40 degrees. It will be cloudy, it won't be really soaking wet or anything, but there could be some raindrops or even a couple snowflakes here and there. Wednesday night into Thursday, that's when something a bit more widespread is looking at least decently likely. So here's a couple options for late this week. Thursday into Friday, models have been hinting at storm potential for days. First option, the storm quickly develops. We keep snow in the forecast for Friday. At least light amounts would be likely in this scenario, potentially something a little more significant. I'd say the more likely option though right now is the storm strengthens quickly off to the east. It moves out of here too fast to bring us really anything significant. And given the way this winter has gone, given the way the past several winters have gone, where this exact scenario has played out many times, where a quick developing storm just develops too far to the east to bring us widespread snow, I would say that's the more likely option at this point. But we'll keep our eyes on Friday just in case things do trend in a stormier direction. One thing's for sure though, Thursday likely to have some rain and snow around, probably nothing too heavy. Again, keeping an eye on Friday. If this storm ends up lingering a little longer, moving a little slower, develops a little quicker, we could see something a little more widespread for Friday with snowfall. But again, it's pretty unlikely, I would say at this point, probably just going to be at best some light snow. Marine forecast, 5 to 8 foot seas, gale warning for the breezy winds today. Things should calm down tomorrow. Here's your 7-day forecast. Really nice tomorrow. Again, that's the pick of the week. Right around 40, sunny skies, nice day. Wednesday, a couple scattered showers around. It's not a bad day though with highs in the 40s. Watching that rain and snow potential Thursday. One thing's for sure, the cold does return Friday. Does it line up with moisture though to bring us snow? It's possible. It doesn't look like anything too significant. Maybe a better shot at some rain or snow on Sunday, and then after that, it's pretty cold into early next week.
It's all about that perfect timing.
Yes, I know. We're kind of threading the needle here, so we'll have to see if Friday becomes something more widespread.
Sounds good.